Engineering Mathematics 1, Anna University question paper, November-December 2009, question number 13B1. Find the image of the circle mod z minus 1 equal to 1 under the mapping w is equal to 1 by z. So we have to find out the image of this circle in the z plane to w plane under the given transformation w is equal to 1 by z. Okay, so now I am taking the given transformation w is equal to 1 by z. Okay, so this can be written as z here and w here. So after that z equal to x plus iy and w is equal to u plus iv. Take the conjugate. Taking the conjugate u minus iv by u minus iv. Now multiplication of numerator is u minus iv. Denominator multiplication is a plus ib into a minus ib, a square plus b square. Actually a plus b into a square minus b square. I square term is minus, so minus of minus plus. So after that, taking the real and imaginary part, real part is u by u square plus v square. Imaginary part iv by u square plus v square. So x plus iy equal to this. So now I am going to equating real and imaginary part. Equating real part x is equal to this, imaginary part y is equal to this. So by equating the real and imaginary part, x is equal to u by u square plus v square, and equating the imaginary part y is equal to minus v by u square plus v square. After that, I am going to take the given circle. The given circle is in the z plane, mod z minus 1 equal to 1. So mod z minus 1 equal to 1. Here put z equal to x plus iy. So now modulus of x plus iy minus 1 equal to 1 because z equal to x plus iy. Now I am going to collect the real terms first. X minus 1 real term plus iy is equal to 1. Now modulus of a complex number. The modulus of complex number a plus ib can be written as root of a square plus b square. That means root of real square plus imaginary square. Here real is x minus 1. So that root of real square plus imaginary square equal to 1. Taking square on both sides. So x minus 1 the whole square plus y square equal to 1. Now apply a minus b the whole square formula. A square plus b square minus 2ab plus y square equal to 1. Now 1 cancel. This can be written as x square plus y square minus 2x equal to 1. Now I am going to substitute x and y value here. So x value is u by u square plus v square. So x square is u square by u square plus v square the whole square plus y square. Y square is y is minus v by u square plus v square. So y square is v square by u square plus v square the whole square minus 2x is u by u square plus v square is equal to 1. So after this, first two terms are having same denominator. So this can be written as u square plus v square by u square plus v square the whole square minus 2u by u square plus v square equal to 1. Now after this term cancel 1. So now remaining these two terms, for the two term both are having same denominator. U square plus v square, u square plus v square. So numerator is 1 minus 2u. So now you can write numerator term is 1 minus 2u whole divided by u square plus v square equal to 1. Sorry, actually 1 cancel. This will be 0. So this is also 0. This is also 0. So this will be 0. Take the term here 1 minus 2u equal to 0, which implies that u is equal to 1 by 2. So now it is in the w plane. So the given circle is in the z plane is mapped to w plane, u is equal to 1 by 2. So the given circle in the z plane, it is this mod z minus 1 equal to 1. That means center 1 comma 0, radius 1. It is in the z plane. It is mapped to u equal to 1 by 2 in the w plane. So that it is in w plane, u is equal to 1 by 2. So this is u, this is v. U equal to 1 by 2 is, this is u equal to 1 by 2. So the given circle in the z plane is mapped to straight line u equal to 1 by 2 in the w plane. This is the answer of the problem.